Hello all, today I am going to unbox this 16oz Epoxy Resin Kit, crystal clear resin kits. Let me start by opening this package. So the package contains of these two silicone mold measuring cups, a bottle of hardener, and this is for 8 ounce, which is 236 ml. A bottle of resin, which is 8 ounce again, 236 ml. A disposable apron. 2 plastic stir sticks. And these are pair of gloves, so 2 pair of gloves, and finally the user manual. And let's see what the user manual says. So user manual has a welcome note, pre-use notes, preparation notes, guide to use, and finally it has some cautions, Q&A as well to help someone who is using this for the first time. So this is a self-leveling, high gloss and very smooth resin and hardener. This can be cured within 24 hours and full curing in 2 to 3 days. Easy to use for beginners. So you just mix a resin and we harden in 1:1 quantity. For example, you can, if you want to make 10 ml, so you will put 10 ml of resin A and 10 ml of hardener B. And then you can stir them with this stick slowly inside one of these cups, and after stirring them for 5 to 6 minutes, it's very easy and simple. You can cast it in whatever mold you want. It is ideal for casting jewelry, earrings, pendants, rings, figurines, DIY coasters, crafts, and anything you want with custom molds. That's it. Thank you.